Hello, teacher.
Okay, I called you in the phone?
Yet.
Yet. Did you read my message in the phone?
Yet.
Yeah, very good. Okay, now Lily, we are going to talk about Unit 47. Do you have lessons for Unit 47?
Yes, I have.
Okay, very good. You open your lessons, your materials for Unit 47. Please check your materials for Unit 47.
Teacher,
Yes.
today we are on Unit 46.
Okay, by the way, oh, we're not yet done with Unit 46?
Yet.
Okay. I thought we are done with Unit 46 and we are Unit 47.
I don't have Unit 47.
Wait for a while. I will check.
I have Unit 45, 46, 48.
Oh, you don't have 47? Why? Okay, so...
I don't know.
Okay, we're done with... Wait, for a while, I need to check Unit 46. Okay. Why there's no Unit 47? Okay, I will give you Unit 47 and 49 on tomorrow, okay? The lessons for tomorrow, okay? Please print it tomorrow, Lily.
Okay.
Okay, for a while. Teacher is showing Unit 46.
Yet.
How are you today? You did
I'm
not
very
go.
well.
You did not go out?
No.
Okay, I thought you go out somewhere. Who's with you right now? You're with your sister Daisy?
What?
You are with Daisy? Daisy.
No.
Oh, where's Daisy? Okay, for a while, Lily. I'm still opening 46. Okay, it's here. I will share you the screen now for Unit 46. Okay, this one. Checklist. Okay, a day on the island. Oh, we're not yet done with this? Lily, a day in the island. Okay, so we are not done with the day on the island. Now, Lily, look at what have you seen in the island? Number 46. Can you see number 46? What have you seen there? You can say island. It's a beautiful island, Lily. Can you see that? Can you see the beautiful island? In the picture?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Here now, Lily, you please listen and draw the lines for this. Again, please listen and draw the lines about the island. Okay?
Okay.
(46A). A day on the island. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
The children are enjoying the island.
Yes, they are. But what's the matter with that boy?
Oh, you mean Jack? He's looking for his glasses. He dropped them near that plant.
Oh, yes. I can see them now.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1,
Look at Sally.
Where?
There. She's the girl who's hiding behind that big rock.
Oh, yes. I can see her. She's playing with her friend.
2,
There's Peter.
Which one's he?
There. I think he's sleeping in the sun.
I think he's awake, but his eyes are closed because it's sunny.
3,
Who's that boy? The boy who's calling the parrot?
Oh, that's Sam.
Why's he doing that?
Because the parrot's not in its cage. Look, the door's open.
Oh, dear.
4,
Vicky doesn't look very happy.
Which one's she?
She's the girl who's holding her foot.
Did she hurt her foot on that shell?
Yes, I think she did.
5,
And there's Alex. He's very funny.
The boy on the boat?
Yes,
I like his pirate hat.
me too.
Okay, Lily, what have you seen? Oh, very good. Let's see what happened to Sam. Okay, here. Okay, first, we have here the prison. Okay, my God. For a while, it's not here. So first, Sam, where is Sam here? It's quite, okay. Sam is here. Okay, you're correct. Sam. Okay, next is Peter. Peter is lying on the ground with his eyes closed. And next is Vicky. Where is Vicky? Vicky is where? Vicky
is the girl and sit on the beach and sad.
Okay. Vicky is the one wearing wearing Vicky. Yeah. Oh, Vicky is the girl who has a painful foot. What happened? His foot. She's holding her foot. I don't know why. And where's Sally? Oh my God. What happened to Sally? Sally is
Sally
hiding?
is hiding the rock.
Hiding behind the rock. Okay. Next, where is Sam? Where is Sam? Sam
is the boy.
Calling
the boy carrying the parrot.
Oh, where are you? Because the parrot is in the tree. And who do you think the man in the boat? It is? The man in the boat
Is Alex.
It's Alex. Okay, it's Alex. The man in the boat.
Màu vàng của con nào? Trên hàng 3 rồi. Có sao vàng bự mà, sao vàng mà tới đầu gối luôn á.
Okay, so here. Next one. Now, Lily, very good. You've got 5 points for that. Now, Lily, you will have to look up here. Yes or no? Look and read. Right? Yes or no. Okay. Here, the boy in the big boat has a black hat on his head. Yes. One of the children is swimming in the sea. No. Number 1 questions, Lily. Number 1. The woman in the pink dress is wearing a pair of glasses.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Let us see here. Okay. Another. Okay. Next. Everyone on the beach is sitting on the sand. Everyone on the beach is sitting on the sand.
No.
No. Okay. There are people there who are standing. There is a picture on the sail of the bigger boat. There is a picture on the sail of the bigger boat.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, where is it? Everyone on this beach is sitting on the sand. Everyone on this beach is sitting on the sand.
No.
No. Oh my God, it's done already. 2 birds are sitting on top of the tree.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. No, there's only 1 parrot, Lily girl. You forgot 1 parrot. There is only 1 parrot sitting on the tree. There's only 1 parrot. Okay. Next. Only 1 person is trying to catch a fish. There's only 1 person is trying to catch a fish.
Yes.
Yes, very good. It's yes. Now let us see here. Yes. So you've got 5, 6, and you've got 1 mistake. You got 5 points. Total all, Lily, you got 15 points. Very good. You've got 1 wrong only. Now, Lily, listen and say. Okay. So we have here some words in this sentence that are more important than the other words. For example, the pirate. The pirate in the big boat has a black hat on his head. Again, the pirate on the big boat has a black hat on his head. Okay. Here. Now, tell your friend about this pirate when you read out the sentence. Okay. So we have here some words in this sentence. Okay. The pirate. Okay. Only read out the bold words. Okay. Pirate, big boat, black hat, head. Okay. Those are the big or the bold words. Okay. You will only read that one. Okay. Here. Look at teacher or listen to teacher as teacher tried to read the bold words. The pirate, the big boat, the black hat, and the head. Okay. Here. The pirate in the big boat, has a black hat on his head. Okay. Can you read it, Lily?
The boy in a big boat has a black hat on his head.
Very good. Okay. So the one we read, Lily, are the bold words. Those are important words. Okay. So say the big words more slowly, more loudly, because those words will tell you about the pirate. Okay. You will describe the pirate. The pirate has big boat, black hat on his head. Again. The pirate has what, Lily? The pirate has big boat,
hat
yes, on his head.
on his head.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Lily, I have here. Okay, now you will have to tell me which is different and why. Okay. Again, you will have to tell Teacher Anne what is different and why. Okay. You try to check what is different there. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. In number 1, what is the difference? This is A. Okay, wait, Lily. I will mark A, B, C. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. Okay. Okay, Lily. Try to answer number 1, which is the different. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go, Lily.
This is number D.
Okay, why letter D? It's not number. Why it's letter D?
Because a river, a lake, and a sea can swim,
Okay.
but the rock the rock we can swim.
Okay, very good. Good job, Lily. Okay, another number 2. What's the difference in number 2? Let's see if number 1 is the correct. Okay, now here, I will show you. Which is the different one here? You told me it's letter D? Okay, the last one, the rock on the sun. Why again, Lily? Why it's different? Because?
Because the sea, the river, and the lake we can swim, but the rock we can't swim.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. What is the difference here?
The chair.
The chair. Why do you think it's the chair?
Because the bike,
Oh, sorry.
the boat, and the helicopter can travel.
Okay. And
But
how about the seat? Or the chair?
the seat, we can travel it.
Okay, very good. The seat can never travel. Let's see your answer. The seat is different. You can travel on a bike, a boat, a helicopter, but you sit on the seat. You cannot travel. Very good, Lily. Okay, this one. Which one is different?
This is the plane.
Okay. Letter, the bag, or the what's letter?
Because the tower, the box, and the boat are red.
Yes.
But the plane is yellow.
Okay, very good. Because it's yellow. Next one. Which one is different and why?
The girl sleep.
Okay, why it's the girl who is sleeping? Why it's the different?
Because all the 3 girls are standing up.
Okay.
But the girl is sleep.
Okay. All the 3 girls here, number B, letter C, and letter D girls, they are standing up, and they are awake. But the letter A girl, she is
She is sleep.
Sleeping. Oh, yeah, very good. Yeah. Lily, you got 4 points now. Yeah, very good. Good job, Lily girl. Okay, next one here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, I have here. Okay, you have to listen and write word in each of the colored boxes. Okay, you have to guess me what's in the colored boxes. Okay, can you do that for blue box? Can you do that for the blue box? Can you do that, Lily, for the blue box?
Blue box.
Here, this one. Can you arrange the word in the blue box? Okay, can you arrange the word in the blue box? The word in the blue box, can you arrange this one? Some pair has of yellow glasses. Okay, can you arrange that? First, the blue box. Can you arrange the blue box?
Yet.
Okay, what is the answer for the blue box?
What?
What is the answer in the blue box? Look at the blue box. You look at the blue box.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Okay, here. Look at this one, blue. Can you arrange the words in the blue box? Okay, I will give example, okay? This one. Look at the example. Has Sam got a pair of yellow glasses? Okay, can you do that in the red? Look at the red now. In your paper, look at the red box. Is there red box like this? Lily, can you see a red box? Like this?
Yet.
Okay, now arrange the words like the blue box. Has Sam got a pair of yellow glasses? Now, what is your answer for red? Can you do it for red?
Yet.
Okay, give me the answer now. Can you please give me the answer for the red?
I don't understand.
Okay. Teacher Ann will be the one to give the answer now. Okay. So in blue, look at the blue. Some pair has of yellow glasses got. Look at the blue. Can you see the blue, Lily?
Yet.
Okay. The correct answer for blue is has some. Can you read the correct answer for blue? Has some.
Hassan got a pair of yellow glass.
Okay, that's the blue. How about the red? Can you guess the red?
Alice. No. The Alice like
Does Alex
like reading about shark on internet.
Okay. How about the green? How about the green?
Is a
Okay, what's the green?
was Peter at the beach?
Okay, I will show the answer. Was Peter at the beach with
his friend today?
Okay. Next, the yellow. Can you see the yellow? Can you see the yellow?
Did Grace enjoy
Did Grace
the sing up like a friend?
Okay. Did Grace enjoy dressing up like a pirate? Again, Lily. Did Grace, again, Lily. Again, read, please, read.
Did
Read. Grace. Yeah. Grace. Yeah. Did Grace enjoy, Lily? Grace. Okay. Did Grace enjoy dressing up like a pirate? Lily, again. Did Grace enjoy dressing up? Yeah. Enjoy dressing up like a pirate? Like a pirate? Okay, you understand?
Like a pirate.
Okay, very good. So these words, Lily, are the words that we form from here. From blue box, red box, green box, and yellow box. Okay, these are the words. Do you understand now? Do you understand, Lily?
Yes.
Okay, I will have to read again the questions. Has Sam got a pair of yellow glasses? Does Alex like reading about sharks on the internet? Was Peter at the beach with his friend today? Or did Grace enjoy dressing up like a pirate? Okay, so you understand now? You understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Lily girl. Okay, so Lily. Okay, here. Write your questions, yes or no. Look at this one. Yes, she has. If you will see, it's in. Okay, yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Okay, yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay? Look at this. We use the word has for she because she is only one, Lily. She is only one. We use has. Okay? Okay, Lily? Lily, did you hear,
yes.
teacher? Okay. We use does because that is only one, singular. And he is singular also. That is why we use does for he. Okay. Was and did, they are past tense. Again, was and did, they are past tense. They are past tense. Do you understand, teacher? Do you understand, teacher Anne? Lily, did you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, was and did, Lily, was and did past tense. Has present tense. Does present tense. Okay. We will discuss this, Lily. We will continue that on Monday. On Monday, Teacher Anne will continue the lesson. Okay. And we will move to Unit 47 on Monday. Okay? Okay, Lily?
Yes.
Okay. So on Monday, we will continue our lesson on Monday. Okay. So do you have questions? Show me your face. Show me your face now. Where is Lily? Where is Lily, girl? Lily, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so for now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye. Show me your face because teacher will say goodbye.
Yes.
Okay. Show me your face now. Where is your face, Lily girl?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. For now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye, Lily. Goodbye. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye, Lily. See you on when?
See
When?
you on Monday.
Monday. Okay. Don't be absent on Monday, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye.